Guys, I was sent a product. It was a free product. It was this is a paid review. Let's get straight to it. I already installed it. It was just that easy. It's an if you know, we are full-time RVers, and it is an RV electric lock, and it has a passcode instead of a key. I mean, it has a key also, but it also has a rubber digital passcode that you can put in there, all that you can use. I haven't had a lot of luck with the app. I'm going to be honest with you. Haven't had a lot of luck with the app, but that might just be my Wi-Fi problems right now, where I'm at right now. So that's probably what that is. But I'm going to show you how I installed the lock, how the digits work. It is awesome, folks. Let me turn this camera around. So it's a simple. The installation was so easy. It is simple. On your old lock, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. You take those 4 screws out, and you remove the lock, and you simply just put this lock right back in its place. I mean, it is just that simple. It's that simple. There's batteries in here. It comes with batteries. You take these 2 screws right here. You can see them right here. You take one and put the batteries in, and it's that simple. Now, without showing you my passcode, I will show you that. And now it's locked. Just like that. Now, if I want to unlock it, I could put the passcode in. And to unlock it, you just put the code back in. I'll turn it away for a second. It just unlocks just like that. Simple as that. Go out and get your RV lock today.